Welcome back to the roots. Today we have the character Chitrangada. Chitrangada is from Mahabharata. We hardly know about her, and she is known for her bravery, her intelligence, and for good decisions. When Arjuna was a wanderer in Vanavasa, he met this girl. She was the daughter of Chitravahana, who was the king of Manipur. And Chitravahana had only one child, that was Chitrangada, the female child. And there was a curse for the Chitravahana's ancestors that they will have only one child. And the ancestors, they had one son each. But for Chitravahana, it was a girl. So she would not become the ruler. Her child would become the ruler. And Chitravahana prepared her daughter so well. He made arrangements to teach her the martial arts, the art of warfare, and everything. What all needed for a warrior. She was brought up like a warrior. And she was well trained in politics because she used to give suggestions to her father, and she had that skill in taking decisions in politics. And she was named after the flower Madhulika. So Arjuna came to this part of the place, that is Manipur kingdom, during his exile. And Arjuna saw this girl, Chitrangada, and he fell in love with her, and he liked her for her honesty and bravery. So he was very much impressed by that. Then he talked to her father and he expressed her love. Chitravahana said, "This is the family background, and she will not be the ruler. The child born to her only will be the ruler," and he has given all the history about his dynasty. Arjuna agreed to marry her, and both of them got married. And Arjuna stayed 3 years in this part of Vanam, that is forest, during his Vanavasa, during his exile. And there was a child born, its son was born to her, Babruhagana. And Chitrangada knew very well that Arjunan would be leaving after some time, because he was there only for a part of his life, that too very few years, because he had to join his brother. The brother Yudhishthira was waiting. They were living in the other part of the forest. So after the particular stipulated period of time, Arjunan was supposed to join his brothers. Chitrangada knew about all that. She prepared herself for all this. So she brought her child as a single mother, single parent. So that is what the quality we are picking from her is very bold. And she didn't think of, because she knew that he had to leave. So she was not mourning for all that. She was preparing herself how to face the future, how to bring her up her child. So this is where she concentrated, and the child also grew well, and child was taught all the skills, what archery, then martial arts, and everything. And Arjunan left her, and after he joined his brothers, and they back to their kingdom, and they were supposed to conduct Ashwamedha Yagnam. So that horse was coming here, and the child who grew to a young man, he attack. He didn't want, he stopped that horse. So Arjunan had to enter this place. So Arjunan was attacked by the boy because he didn't know that he was his father. So Arjunan fell unconscious. He was almost dead. He is dead. Actually, it is given in the books that he was dead. And Chitrangada was informed of that. She came rushing to this place and found that the boy killed his own father. Then immediately he made arrangement. Then another wife of Arjuna, Ulupi, she brought herbal medicines and she was well trained, she was experienced in preparing medicines. So she prepared medicine and she gave life to Arjunan, and she informed Chitrangada that it was a curse for Arjunan to get killed by his own son. So that is what happened. Don't worry, he will be all right. Now the curse is over. Then Arjunan got his new life. That is, he was out of danger and he goes back to the kingdom, and the child and Chitrangada were left here. What we are learning from this character is we should not be losing hopes, or we should not think of what I will do if I do not get the help from this person or that person. Let us believe ourselves, let us prepare ourselves to face any crisis in life, and how to come out of it is that is what we have to learn. So here you can see we have seen two characters, female characters, Ulupi, then other one was Chitrangada. Both of them acted wisely in such situations, because Chitrangada always had her kingdom in her mind. She wanted to serve her people and she wanted to bring her up child very well. So for that she worked throughout her life, and all the time she was thinking of that only. So that is what we have to learn from her. So determination, confidence, then we should explore ways to solve our issues. We can't be thinking of the past, or we can't be thinking, or we can't be saying that what will happen if I don't this. So such negative thinking should not be there in our minds. So we should all prepare ourselves to come out of any crisis and